slight right turn to head to London. Lovely flying conditions. It's about an hour and 55 minutes of flying time. When it's safe to do so, turn the seatbelt signs off, which obviously allow you to move around. Just one thing we do recommend while you're seated, keep your seatbelt fastened. Even while the signs are off, just guard against any unforecast turbulence above the neck. And certainly, if you do have any reason to turn the signs off, please turn seats and do your belts up as soon as you can. It is looking like a nice day in London. It's a little bit cloudy, fairly similar to here really, and temperature's not too dissimilar as well. But I'll get the latest weather and past 90 cells once we get a little bit closer to London. And I'll also come back to you with an update of our arrival time once we start talking to London Air Traffic Control. Then we'll get an idea if there are any delays. So, as I said, we are expecting about an hour and 50 minutes of flight time, and as I say, I will just update that once we have any information. So we'll get going as soon as possible. I shall leave you with Josh and the crew. Enjoy the flight, and I'll just speak to you later. Thank you.
Cabin crew doors automatic and cross check.
You need to pull on the coloured streamer to release the mask. Please make sure your own mask is fitted before helping anyone else, if you want to help anyone.
Take your seat area. Cabin crew, take your seats for takeoff. And I'm delighted to be your customer service manager on Molly's flight to London Heathrow Airport, Terminal 5. I would like to say my personal welcome to you all, and welcome back to executive members and our more frequent flyers. We recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated, and you must be securely fastened when the seatbelt sign is on. When it's safe to leave your seat, please take care when opening the overhead lockers, as items may have moved and could have following cause injury. We're about to start our onboard service. If you are sitting in our Club Euro cabin, we will be offering you a complimentary meal and drinks from the bar. In our Euro Traveller cabin, we have a great selection of food and drinks available for you to purchase. You can find details of today's M&S onboard menu in your seat pocket. Payments can be made by using either credit or debit card, and for Executive Club members, we also accept Avios. Unfortunately, we will not be able to accept any cash payment. We will shortly be coming through the cabin to take your orders for any hot items you may wish to purchase, and later on in flight, we will also be opening our highlight shop. So please take a look at the highlight shop magazine in your seat pocket. The cabin crew will also be coming through the cabin with landing cards for the United Kingdom. If the United Kingdom or the Republic of Ireland is your final destination and you do not hold a European passport, then you will need to complete a landing card. However, if you direct transit onto another international flight, there is no need for you to complete one. If you are unsure whether you need to complete any documentation, then please ask one of us. For now, ladies and gentlemen, we invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy hospitality. We hope you enjoy your flight with us today. Thank you.